Roblox is a popular online gaming creation system that allows users to create and play games created by other users. It combines social interaction with user-friendly game development environment. How can you actually use Roblox when your account is get banned? How you can get back your account when your account is even hacked or banned? So first you can do is you can go to the account setting. Here you can see safety and help option. After click on help and safety option, here you can see violations and appeals. You have to click on violation and appeal option. Clicking that, here you can see support appeal, something not shown. Clicking on that, here you can see contact us information. Here you can see your username, that is optional. You have to put your first name, email address. Remember, email address is important because they will contact you again if there's something needs to done. Here you can issue your details like PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, and that's different thing. Here you can help category, that is user safety concern, Roblox stars, and your reason account hack can't log in. So this is the option. For example, I'm checking account hack can't log in. You have to select account password, two-step verification. Here you to need to describe the issue. You can describe something like my account is banned slash hacked for mistake, by mistake. Please try to restore it. You restore my account in few days, and they will now contact you and help you and reach out to you. It may take you some time. It may take Roblox sometimes to reply or and get back to you. So remember this, and I'll see you in the next one.